Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Mint replacement to track 401k contributions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin tracking your 401k contributions with a Mint replacement, choose an alternative financial app that meets your needs. Research various personal finance apps available in the market. Look for features that allow seamless integration with retirement accounts. Once you've found a suitable app, download it from your preferred app store. Open the app and create a new account using your email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. Enter any personal information required, such as your name and financial goals. Now, look for the option to add your 401k account. You may need to provide your 401k provider's login information for linking purposes. Ensure you have your account details handy for a smooth setup. After entering your details, allow the app to connect and sync with your 401k account. Once the connection is established, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different sections and tools available. Check the settings to customize alerts for contribution changes or market fluctuations. Review the analytics feature to track your contributions effectively. Utilize the budgeting tools offered by the app to manage your overall finances. Regularly update your contributions and any changes to your employment. Monitor your account regularly to ensure everything is accurately tracked. Take advantage of additional resources and educational material provided within the app. Finally, keep your app updated for optimal performance and new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.